Peer evaluation from Peerceptive will allow you to assess how well your group members or classmates participated and collaborated in a group activity. To get started, log in to Peerceptive or access your assignment through your course website. If your instructor did not preset the groups, you may see the option to join or create a group. You must be part of a group in order to complete the evaluation. To check on your group members and make sure you're in the right group, click Groups on the left sidebar. In many cases, your instructor may have set up the groups and will not allow students to switch groups. However, some instructors allow students to form their own groups. If your name has a star by it, it means you are the Peerceptive group leader, and you are allowed to accept or remove people from your group. If you are in the wrong group, you can leave the group and request to join a different group from the Groups tab at the top. When you request to join a group, the group leader will receive an email notification and an in-app notification. They must approve your request via one of those methods before you can be added to the group. When you are part of a group and you have established that your group members are correct, you can click the Evaluate button, then Group Members. Choose a group member to evaluate and click Evaluate. Select the rating that best describes the quality of participation of your group members for each specific category, and then click Next. After you have evaluated your group member in each category, you will be asked to provide a written comment about your group member. The comments are always anonymous, but your peer may or may not see these comments depending on how your instructor has set up the assignment. You may now review the scores and comments you gave your group member. Click Previous to go back and edit your ratings or comments, or click Finish to submit the evaluation. The evaluation now appears with a green checkmark to show that it is complete. Click another group member to repeat this evaluation process. You will notice that the score comparison chart will show you the scores you have already given. This allows you to compare your group members' performance and select scores that are accurate according to how much work each person put into the group project or activity. When you have finished evaluating all of your group members, they will all have green check marks. Click Back to go back to the dashboard. It will now say that your evaluation is complete, but you can edit the evaluations at any time before the final assignment deadline. When the assignment is over and your instructor has released results, click View Results to see your grade, how your team members rated your group performance, and see any comments they left. Depending on how your instructor set up the assignment, you may have a grade of 100% for completing it, or a 0% if you did not complete it. If your instructor set up the assignment to measure your performance based on peer ratings, then you will see a percentage grade that reflects the overall average rating score your peers gave you. All ratings and comments are anonymous. Some programs or instructors may choose to keep all comments confidential and only visible to the instructional team. In that case, you may only see your grade or your average ratings, and you will not see the comments. Thank you for watching this video on Peerceptive's peer evaluation assignment. If you have questions, please visit our knowledge base or contact support@peerceptive.com.